Today on the 50 Pound Brain, we're gonna make a hoist system to put said topper into the ceiling of the Garage Mahal. And so what we need to do, first thing, is we need to add a stringer here to mount our winch on the wall. This has been got our 4 bolt holes, so we need to just add a stringer at that spread to go between here and then this thing, and to run the cable up and back down to where we can back the truck in, lift the topper off, and drive away topless. So let me show you what we're doing so far. So this is our cross piece. It's going to be in the ceiling, and it's going to have an eye bolt through here that the pulley for the winch is going to hook to and come straight down. But this is only 80 thousandths wall, which is pretty thick, but I didn't want it to cave in. I'm going to basically exceed or err to the side of caution on putting this thing together, because I don't want to show up one day and the topper is laying on top of something that might be in that bay. So we're going to reinforce that hole with this tube and weld it top and bottom to make it one piece, basically not hollow anymore. So that's where we're at. Okay, we got our 4 riv nuts installed to get ready to hang the winch on the wall. Got our stringers L bracketed in, just like the rest of the building. So let's get this thing hung. All right, here's our bar. It's going to go in the ceiling with our eye bolt and our welded in tube that's going to support our pulley. You'll see how it all fits together here in a minute. Brad up on the high steel. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, hold on, let me pull the truck out. think this side's low. Yeah, I think so.
What do you think, Frankel? Alright, you want to go up?
Yeah. Go up. Did it stop? That's good. And that is good. And walk under it. Yeah. Hi, Hank. Safety is the sucker.
It sucked if I cut the cable.
Yeah. Now you can leave it. Yeah. That's kind of what I was thinking. Shorten the cable or the straps, and that's even better. Nice and high. Out of the way. Good job, Brad. Well, we got a lot of things done. Still a lot to do. But thanks mostly to Brad keeping me moving. We got the stuff kind of set up in its place. Like I said, there's still a lot of things that need to be finalized. But if something came down the pipe as far as work, I could do it in here. So have this big open area here. I just need to move some stuff, and like I said, disposition some more things. But yeah, big thanks to my boy Brad, because he loves working with his dad in this sweltering heat. But I'll give you another update when we actually get something else done or some of this other mess dealt with. So thanks for watching.